Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and decorate a tea tray for an area in my home. So come out with me, guys. Now this absolutely beautiful tier tray I purchased at, I believe, the Target's Dollar Spot, and it is gorgeous. And I think I even saw this something similar at Kirkland's. So let's get started. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so I pretty much got this tray together, and look how beautiful this tray looks. I'm gonna go grab a couple of things I want to use in the tier tray because I am decorating for Christmas and I am loving it. Now, since we have a lot of things going on, normally I do the calendar of events right at the end of the month. Now, we're still at the end of the month, but I'm going to see if I can get it ready for you. Hopefully by Monday, I will either make a video or come on live, and I wanted you to know that. So this way we know who is coming in. Remember that Tuesday, November 28th, we have a guest coming in. Her name is Mercy Beauty of Styles. She's an absolutely beautiful content creator. She's coming in at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, and her theme is white and gold. So I'm absolutely loving decorating tier trays. And one of the main reasons why is because it kind of isolates your decoration to the tray. And then you can move the tray from one place to another. Now, if you're not using decor, remember you can always use this to display food if you have company, or just put it in a cozy corner in your kitchen, or even on a coffee table for people to pick at. This is an absolutely versatile piece of decor, and I love decorating with it. Now, this is also a quick reminder, it kind of just came to me. Tomorrow is Sunday, and that is quick and easy meals. Guys, we're already cooking for our families, we're cooking for friends, and this is a great opportunity to upload a video and place it in the collaboration. We are looking for more people who love doing cooking to add to our group, and this would be an amazing time to do so. Now, I think this tier tray came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you agree. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.